Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with new Relic for Cloud APM Setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the new Relic website URL. Once the homepage loads, locate the Sign Up button. Click on the Sign Up button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your first name and last name as required. Enter a valid email address that you have access to. Choose a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. Once all fields are filled out, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree to the terms, check the box to acknowledge your acceptance. After reviewing, click the Create Account or Sign Up button. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the verification email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the new Relic website. Once redirected, you may be asked to log in again using your confirmed email and password. After logging in, you will see the new Relic dashboard. To set up Cloud APM, click on the Add More Data or similar button. Select APM from the list of options presented. Choose the cloud platform or programming language relevant to your application. Follow the prompts to install the appropriate new Relic agent for your environment. Once installed, configure the agent with your new Relic license key. You can find your license key in your new Relic account settings. After configuration, restart your application if necessary. Return to the new Relic dashboard to verify that the data is being received. Explore the various monitoring and analytics tools available within New Relic. Finally, familiarize yourself with the documentation for advanced features and best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.